In this short video, I will briefly explain the key features of the writing process report generated by Process Feedback. Let's start with the options to explore a writing process report. If you are new to Process Feedback and are only interested in the basic features like playback and copy-paste events, you can choose the Quick Report option. If you have a very large document, generating a report can take quite some time. In that case, click Options, choose High-Level Details, and uncheck Text Styling. Remember, this setting is only for large documents. For now, I'll click Full Report option. At the top of the report, you'll see the name of the Google document. Right below it, you'll see the name and email address of the person who opened the process report. Remember, this may not be the main author, it's just the person who opened the report. The first section contains metadata about the final text. For example, this document has 18 sentences and 136 words. In the next section, it's critical to understand the difference between total typing time and total task duration. Task duration may not be that important. For example, if I type for 1 minute every day for a month, my task duration will be 1 month, but my total typing time will only be 30 minutes. The playback section is the easiest to understand. As the name suggests, here you can click play and watch the typing journey of the user. You can control playback speed using the speed selection dropdown. The number of frames shown in playback is controlled by the level of detail you selected when generating the report. If you want to see all frames, choose low-level details. At the bottom, notice the time and duration displayed. You can click it to see detailed differences. The active typing session section shows durations of active typing versus not typing. For example, the first row shows that I was actively typing for 38 seconds at the very start of my writing journey. Many users actually prefer the chart view instead of the list view in this section. If multiple authors contributed to a document, this section shows their percentage contributions. If you want to see the interplay between authors, select the chart view. It shows collaboration visually. You can also choose to see this in the true timeline. You can even click on any bar to see the text changes at that time. The copy-paste event section shows how many times text was pasted and what text was pasted. Here are some key points about this section. Keep the minimum similarity at 90% unless you are investigating a specific event. Note that clicking on a timestamp shows before and after text. Also, clicking on more info shows the exact pasted text. The active typing days section is simple. It shows which days I edited the document. Darker colors mean more activity. The text added and removed bubble chart shows green circles for added text and red circles for removed text. For example, a big green circle indicates that a large chunk of text was added at that time point. Similarly, a large red circle indicates that a large chunk of text was removed at that point. The typing speed chart shows characters per minute over time. Faster speeds near the end may mean rushing to finish. The edited paragraph location chart shows the paragraph being edited at any time point during the writing process. The x-axis of this chart is time and y-axis is the number of characters in the editor. This chart is a bit non-intuitive at the beginning because the x-axis is at the top. But once we understand it, it helps us see that as time passes, the contents of the editor increase from top to bottom. In this chart, roughly each color represents a paragraph. A highlighted bar indicates that I was actively working on that paragraph at that time. The edited sentence location chart shows where in the document edits were made over time. Roughly, each color is a sentence. The word count section shows the frequency of words in the final text. The origin of words chart shows when each word first appeared. It can be helpful for spotting if new words came from external copy-paste. Finally, from the sidebar, I can download a PDF of the report to share with others or to submit to my teacher. Thank you.